Once upon a twinkling light, in a land where stars danced, there lived a little firefly named Spark. Spark loved to light up the night sky with magical patterns. Once evening, as Spark fluttered near a sleepy village, a tiny mouse named Lily spotted the glowing wonder. "Hello, little firefly," whispered Lily, her eyes wide with wonder. "Good evening, dear Lily," Spark replied, casting a warm glow. "Would you like to join me on a nighttime adventure?" Lily's heart danced with a joy, and hand in week, they set off on a journey through meadows, forests, and moonlit streets. They encountered wise owls and friendly rabbits, sharing stories and laughing under the gentle gaze of Moon. As the night wore on, Lily grew sleepy, nestled in a soft patch of clover. Spark wore a blanket of starlight to keep her warm. With a gentle lullaby, Spark lulled Lily into the sweetest dreams. And there, beneath the velvet sky, in a world painted with dreams and moonbeams, they slumbered knowing that night held endless adventures for them to discover once again.